Dina. Thank you so much for being here, and if you're new, welcome. Feel free to leave a like, feel free to subscribe, whatever you prefer. So on this episode, I'm going to review for you a ab stimulator that I purchased from Amazon. So this is really good if you just want to really focus and target certain areas that might be a little tricky, it might be a little complicated to burn the fat or tone the muscle. So it's not going to be in place of going to the gym. It's not going to be in place of changing, your diet habits. You definitely want to focus on having a healthy diet, going to the gym regularly, but this will definitely help, those hard areas to work out and burn fat. So I'm going to show you what exactly it comes with, and then I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm also going to show you what areas on the body that you can use this product. So it comes with multiple items. It comes with these guys right over here. So this goes on the arm, so it lifts, firms, tightens the arms, and then you can also put this on your glutes. You can put it on your thighs, and then you can also put it on your buttocks. So really versatile, really cool if you want to lift and firm and tighten your glutes. And then also it comes with this right over here. This is for your abs, so to tighten and tone the abs. And what I love about this one specifically, you can place it higher up on the abs. I'm going to go ahead and show you later the ab demonstration, but you can put it high up on the abs. You can do it on the very low part of the abs, which could be really, really tricky and really hard to burn the fat on the lower part of the belly, right above the pelvic bone. So this is really cool just to really tighten and firm that specific area. Now it also comes with a massager, which is really cool. This is an added bonus. It's their free gift when you purchase this product on Amazon. So this is their massager. This specifically goes right on the back, right over here. So if you have any muscle soreness, any muscle tension, this will really help massage and loosen up those muscles for you, especially if you're sitting on a desk all day long or you're constantly sitting. This could really, really help you throughout the day. And it's also really, convenient. You don't have to go get a massage. It's really cool just to kind of have while you're working. So really, really cool free gift. So that was kind of nice and kind of fun. Now it also comes with adhesive pads. I'm going to show you the adhesive pads. These ones I actually purchased separately. You can purchase these separately. I'm going to go ahead and link them for you down below. But they do come with their own adhesive pads. So I'm going to show you exactly what they are. So they're kind of sticky and they have a conductive jelly type. So you want to stick it on. I actually purposely left one out. I'm going to grab it for you guys just so that way I can show you exactly how to stick it on. So you're going to take it from the packet and then you're going to remove one side of the adhesive, which is the blue strip, just like that. And then you're going to place it on this area right over here. So this is where that microcurrent is going to stimulate that muscle contraction. So you want to place this adhesive silicone patch right on that area, and the silicone acts as a conductor, and that's really going to help the microcurrent penetrate to the muscle. So this jelly and this gel is really, really important. It's not going to work if you don't have it. So you definitely want to repurchase these once yours kind of don't work anymore, because over time they're going to kind of peel off and they're not going to be as sticky, and you want to make sure they're really, really sticky so that way you can get the results that you want. So once you're done really making sure that it's on there, now you're going to remove the top layer. So the top layer should literally just come off the top piece of plastic, just like that, so that way the sticky part is left over. Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it actually works, and I'm going to do the arm demonstration for you. So you're going to turn it on. There's 3 different buttons. There's the on button, the off button, and the program button. The program button is going to give you 4 different modes. The first one is pretty basic, just kind of gives you a light little workout. Second one, a little bit more intense. So the higher up in numbers, the more intense the intensity is going to be. So I'm going to start off on the lower mode. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this on my arm, and we're going to turn it on. And when you go to the highest mode, you can actually see your arm twitch, which is kind of interesting. So we're going to do program, and then we're going to click on one more time. So I'm going to start with number 1, and then you're going to click on. So when you click on, that's when it starts working. And so now I'm going to go to number 2, and you can totally feel this one really pulsating the muscles. now we're gonna move to number 3. Number 3 is definitely more intense. You can really feel this one. And number 4 is definitely the most intense. You can actually see my arm. Oh my God, twitching, you guys. Look at that. How crazy is that? Isn't that insane? It's so weird. But it definitely works. So, oh my God, if you guys were curious about this, look at that. I'm not even moving my arm. How insane is that? It totally contracts your muscle. So yeah, definitely works. And there's different modes. So this one is definitely so crazy, so intense. This one is a little too intense for me. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of turn that off. Oh my gosh. So yeah, just to show you guys, it definitely works. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the ab stimulator and calm my dog down so he doesn't bark during the video. And I will be right back and we're going to do the abs together. All right, I'll see you guys in a sec. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so now we're going to do the ab stimulator, which is super exciting. You saw how effective the arm stimulator was, and that was on the 4th mode. So like I said, this product has 4 different settings, and you can go ahead and change them to whatever setting you're comfortable with. For me personally, I feel like the 4th setting was a little too intense, but definitely if you want to get those results, you can work your way up to that 4th setting. Definitely start off with the lower setting because it could be a little uncomfortable if you start on number 4 immediately. So now we're going to do the ab stimulator, which is one of my favorite items in this whole entire set because you really do see results, and it's really good for those hard to reach areas. And honestly, you guys, this is a great alternative to going to the med spa. So as of right now on the market, because I am in the skincare industry, there's a machine called M-Sculpt, which actually does kind of something similar. It gives you like 20,000 sit-ups per like I don't know how many seconds. So, and that session could be super expensive. You can pay anywhere from like $200 plus just for one single session, where you get this full entire set from Amazon that pretty much does the same thing if you use it consistently for under $40. So super inexpensive. You're gonna get great results. You guys saw my arm was literally twitching. So if any of you guys out there are skeptics, or if you guys are kind of hesitant to purchase this product, I give you my word, it genuinely works, and you are going to see results if you use it with conjunction of a healthy diet and going to the gym. So this just kind of gives your exercise and your body that extra boost. Perfect. So now we're going to do the ab stimulator. And actually, really quickly before I do that, I do want to show you guys that it does come with batteries. And if you guys want to place the batteries or replace the batteries, you're just going to take this off and then do that on the backhand side and then just clip it back on. So I'm going to clip this back on, and then I'm going to show you guys how this one works. So I'm going to place it on the lower part of my abs, but you can move it around. You can place it up high if you want to do it up there. You can place it down low. I'm going to do it down low because I feel like that area is one of my favorite areas to really target. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold my pants down for you guys so that way you guys can see how this really works. And I'm just going to stick this on my lower part of my abs. And that's why that adhesive is so important. So it really adheres, and that microcurrent really travels down to the muscle so you can get the best contraction and the best results with this product. So you cannot use this without the conductive jelly pads. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to start with the first mode. And we're going to hit program. I'm sorry, let's go back to number 1. So you're going to hit program, and once it's on number 1, then you're going to click start. And then once you see that light flashing, then you know it's working. Now on the number 1, kind of just gives you like a little bit of like a pulsating rhythm. But I actually like it because I kind of feel like it's warming up the muscle. So this one's really nice just as a warm up. And now we're going to hit program one more time, and that's going to give you the second setting. So again, you can definitely feel it working, but it's not too intense yet. So now let's move it up, do we dare, to the third setting. You'll also see the lights light up together, so number 1 and number 2. You can do like a double mode where it gives you both of the sensations at the same time, so that's kind of cool if you want to do that. Number 3 is definitely a little bit intense. I'm going to do number 4 for you guys. And the more you hit on, the higher the level can go. So each intensity has higher levels as well. So not only are you going to get 4 intensities, but you're also going to get about 8 different levels, which is really cool. So I'm going to, oh my god, turn number 4 up really high for you guys so that way you guys can see it contracting. This is all for you, you guys. This is all for you. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it up to the highest where you guys, oh my goodness, you can literally feel it. Oh my god, I can barely even speak. Woo, this one's definitely intense. I don't know if you guys can see my muscles contracting, but it literally feels. So once you feel that microcurrent hit the muscle, I definitely have to turn it down. It feels like you're doing a crunch. So if I can best describe, what this feeling feels like, it definitely feels like I'm doing a crunch at the gym. You could really feel it penetrate to that deepest part of the muscle. It's not like sensitive, it's not like on the surface. So it really does penetrate to the deepest part of the muscle. So like I said, for those hard to reach areas, so for the area right down here, right above the pelvic bone, that area is so hard, you're often having to lie down on your back and then lift your leg up to really try to target that area. You can really feel the microcurrent penetrate to that deepest part of the muscle. So it's a really good burn, it's an effective burn. It definitely does work. All right, you guys, if you have any questions about this ab stimulator, feel free to comment me down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you